Hi, this is Bo Murray. I'm the owner of MyGoCards. You're seeing this welcome video because I want to personally make sure that you have the best road to success. And I need to make sure that you take this serious because this is a big moment. The products and softwares that you're having access to right now can change your life, but just like tools, they don't do anything unless you use them correctly. And at the same time, you stay consistent and disciplined and use them daily to grow your business. And if you do, I promise it'll change your life. And so I want to welcome you to my Go Cards. And always remember that your focus determines your reality. And so if you stay focused here, you will have success. Okay. When I started my go-karts back in 2019, my mission has always been I wanted to help people market themselves more effectively. And that's been my passion and my goal is helping people, put people first. And that's always been the idea and the concept. Um, Zoom trainings, I am personally teaching and training Monday through Friday at 10:30 a.m. Central, and it lasts till about 12 o'clock. And then Monday through Thursday at 6:30 p.m. Central. So for majority of the week, I'm teaching and training live twice a day. Okay. And then also be sure to join our Facebook group. The details and information are on your main dashboard. You can click the link to go join. Plus, it's also in your welcome emails and the emails you get every day from us, letting you know about events and things coming. Now, success occurs when opportunity meets preparation. So, can you have success with my go karts? Absolutely. But you need to put forth the effort. I put forth the effort every single day and do my best to be prepared and ready to teach and train and help you grow your business. But if you are not willing to put forth the effort to use the products, use the training, use the tools, use everything that you have before you, then that's on you, not me. But I grind every day to do my best to help everyone. And so if you follow my tutorials and training videos, you will have faster success. Okay. The more you plug in, the better you'll be. And you need to stay disciplined. I can't tell you how many times I talk to people and they, for whatever reason, stop using the software or they use it kind of here and there. And then they wonder why they're not growing or why they don't do anything. Stay consistent. Growing your business with the software takes literally 15 minutes a day. Okay. This is not hard. Okay. The rest of the time, you're literally responding to people that talk to you on your phone because the leads come in through Messenger. All right. So here's a tip, do not waste your 7 day free trial. This is 7 days to give you the best opportunity of figuring out, for one, what packages do you really want to have starting out? And whichever package you choose, that's great. But at the same time, this is to get your feet going, right? This is to get you up and running, generating business before you even purchase. Okay? So don't squander this opportunity. Take the focus and use this moment to get your feet running, to learn, to plug in, to start having success with us. Okay? That's the whole purpose of the 7 days trial. And to make sure that you know that, hey, this isn't a scam, right? Because there's a lot of scammers out there that promise things and say they're going to do something, and then you purchase and it's not what you thought, right? And so that's the reason for a 7 day free trial is to prove that this works and to get you up and running and going. Now, here's your simple 5 steps to success. Number one, focus on tutorials. Okay. Only thing I want you to focus on is your CRM, your connector, and your birthday messaging. Okay. Once you get that down, then start going and doing other things. Ad filter, ad library, genius giveaways, run a contest or something, disconnector, things of that nature, right? But this is your main core. So stay focused, get this down, and then move on. I want you to have success. I don't want you to feel like you're being pulled in 1,000 different ways. There's 10 or 11 products. I can't remember exactly right now off the top of my head. And there's more coming, but this is where your focus is. Step two, plug in. I do daily Zooms. Okay. The more you plug in, the faster you're going to have success. You're going to be able to see me do things. You're going to be able to ask questions. You're going to be able to learn from others. Okay. Join our MyGoCards group. Okay. There's lots of information there. I post videos, trainings, recordings, everything there. We have a community of people that are wanting to help. Also, if you need help, reach out to your sponsor. If he's new and he doesn't know, reach out to the upline. They're more than willing to help. And if you can't get a hold of somebody, you can always feel free to reach out to me personally. You can also go in your dashboard in MyGoCards, and there's a support area. So you could email me directly, support tickets. I check them multiple times a day. All right. And last but not least is stay focused. And also at the same time, just have fun generating leads with us because it's going to change your life. But you have to stay focused and disciplined. And here's a fact. I don't regret the things I've done. I just regret the things I didn't do when I had the chance. This is that moment, meaning you have the opportunity right now to seize this moment, to get the most out of this, and to grow your business. There are thousands and thousands of others that are doing it and proving it works. This is your moment, so take control of it. No excuses. I look forward to seeing you in my tutorial trainings and Zooms and hearing about your success. And again, if you need help, reach out to me. I'm here to help you. And I wish you the best, and I'm excited about having you come here. Now, go study your tutorials, download the software, and start plugging in. I'll see you on my Zooms.